your name?
My name is Amy.
Are you from San Diego, Amy?
I am from San Diego.
What keeps you going forward in life?
Satisfaction of doing the best I can every day.
What are your thoughts about free thinkers?
Oh, we absolutely have to have free thinkers.
If you don't see more free thinkers appear, where do you see us as a whole within the next 10 years?
Going backwards. We need free thinkers to move forward.
Now, your first thought, emotion that you want to leave for people to think about or advice, you can put on the side. Name?
Kayla?
Are you from San Diego?
I'm not. I'm from Pennsylvania.
What brings you to San Diego?
My sister.
Cool beans. What keeps you going forward in life?
Just doing your best and being satisfied. Having fun.
What are your thoughts about free thinking?
I think everybody should be.
Art and music, these two are the best form of expression, I believe.
I was like, hey, that's pretty.
I just finished mine. Well, yeah, I just got up.
My name is Kim.
And I'm William.
And where are you guys from?
Montreal.
And Sweden.
Day tripper, man, just like living, vagabonding, like everything that I didn't know, I do now. It's nature, dude. I've been in it for my whole life, man.